Today we will provide detailed descriptions on soil. This video help you prepare a soil bed on site.
What is soil? Soil is a mixture of gravel, sand, and clay. As a construction material, we've used soil as a base for roads, buildings, earth dams, landfills, and so on. So we need compacted soil by mechanically or manually applying force from outside, so that the soil compacts and gains good compacted strength, which increases the bearing capacity. If we do not compact the soil, it's dangerous for construction, and there is a chance for settlement of roads and buildings. Sometimes, for this reason, cracks can form on roads and buildings can collapse. Compaction of soil equals high density and less settlement. Now you might ask, how is soil compacted? When we use force from outside, the particles of soil create a contact force between them, filling the voids and making a stable structure. All right, let's dive into the world of compaction equipment. When it comes to preparing the soil for construction, having the right tools is absolutely essential. Compaction equipment helps to increase the density of the soil, which is crucial for creating a stable foundation. There are various types of compaction equipment available, each designed for specific soil types and project requirements. From heavy-duty rollers to vibratory plates, each piece of equipment plays a vital role in ensuring the ground is solid and ready for building. So, whether you're working on a small residential project or a large-scale commercial development, choosing the right compaction equipment can make all the difference. Methods of compaction include vibrating kneading pressure and impact. We compact soil in each layer to a maximum thickness of 250 millimeters. This is because the roller vibrator frequency is effective up to a depth of 250 millimeters. However, excessive compaction can reduce permeability and lead to poor water logging. The method to check the compaction involves using the soil replacement method. Nowadays, we also use the NDG, or nuclear density gauge, machine for rapid testing. There are generally 4 types of soil found in India. These are sandy soil, loam soil, cohesive soil, and black cotton soil. Gravel and sand are the best for structure because their particles are angular and irregular in shape. We do not use black cotton soil in construction because it expands significantly with water and has very low bearing capacity. The layer preparation process starts with surveying the required fill area and calculating the quantity of soil in cubic meters. Then, we order soil from the boring area. The soil is spread with a mechanical machine grader to the decided thickness, followed by sprinkling water as calculated with MDD and FDD. Rolling begins as per the trial bed, and the bed is checked before starting the next layer. If we complete the embankment or subgrade layer, a level check must be done. For watching detailed videos on rigid pavement and flexible pavement, please click the I button, and the link is also given in the description. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Thank you.